Here we have the 2019 Acura ILX A-SPEC. My daily driver, 28 grand, brand new, great deal. I love this thing. Just look at the interior. That's my favorite part about this car. Just so red. It just pops out so much, so obviously I had to get the red carbon fiber paddle shifters. Got a custom exhaust. Here, we'll take a look at the back. Here's the custom exhaust, blue tip. Sounds pretty mean. That's a really ugly angle of it, I'm sorry. I don't know, it just kind of looks a lot better in person. Videos really don't do it justice. Yeah, some people might say it's just an overpriced Civic, but I mean, the exterior styling is obviously way better on this. Alright, let's rev it up a little bit. I'll show you what it sounds like inside the car and outside the car. Alright. There you have it, folks. Oh, one weird thing about this car, I don't know what the hell they were thinking, but where's the pocket? You got one on the passenger side seat, but what about the driver's seat? I honestly think they just forgot. But yeah. Once again, that is the 2019 Acura ILX A-SPEC.